Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm heading out biking soon on a biking trip. So I got myself these arm sleeves that should hopefully keep me from getting too sunburned. I'll show you. I don't know what colors these are. I think it's a gray and a black. So I got two sets of each. So we're gonna give this a try. I'll just try these black ones here, see how they work. If I can figure out where it opens. Does it say what brand they are? Yeah, it says it's, I guess, YQXCC. Oh, yeah, still tag for it. There we go. So let's check this out. So this is what they look like here. So kind of just a sleeve. So let's try it out. Here. So it's very stretchy, and that's what it feels like. So it's good. It's kind of a little bit of a compression, but not too bad. It's not like those compression sleeves. So this would be it. So this would be good. So like if I'm out on a cool morning, it'll keep me warm and it'll keep the sun out in the afternoon. So I'll put them both on so you can see how good I look. Doesn't look like there's a an angle bend for the elbow, so it looks like it can kind of go on either way. There's a little bit of a something there, but probably doesn't matter too much. So that's what it would look like here. So it's good, and it's got nice compression up at the top and the bottom to keep it in place. So as I do this, it's not going to be riding down or riding up. So I'm going to say these are nice sleeves. These are good. I've never used the sleeves before, but definitely going to want to use these in the cool and when I don't want to get too much sunburn. So that's what I'll use the lighter ones for. So these are very cool. So I'm gonna say I like them. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.